In this video, I will explain what accidentals are and how they are used in music. Accidentals are used to alter the notes from what they are supposed to be according to the key signature and thereby scale. They are cancelled after each measure. So unless an accidental is repeated in the next measure, it is now cancelled and you have to play the note without the accidental in the measure as it was originally intended according to the key of the music. This means that you are back to only applying the accidentals that exist in the key signature. Whereas key signature accidentals apply across all octaves, if there's an accidental on a particular note, only play it there. Also, unless another accidental is applied, an accidental on a particular note will stand for the rest of the measure, even though there's no accidental applied to the same subsequent particular note on the staff. There are 5 accidentals commonly used in music. The flat sign will lower the pitch of the note by a half step. As a result, the G has been flatted to G flat. The sharp sign will raise the pitch of the note by a half step. So instead of G, we will play G sharp. The natural sign will cancel any accidental marking on a note. So the previous G sharp is cancelled and we'll play G. The natural sign will also cancel accidentals from the key signature. So in any case, a natural sign means we're to play a natural note. That is, a note with the letter name of A, B, C, D, E, F, or G that is not modified by flats or sharps from a key signature or an accidental on a particular note. These are the white keys on the piano keyboard. The double flat sign will lower the pitch by 2 half steps. As a result, the G has been flatted by 2 half steps to G double flat. Even though the resulting key on the keyboard is an F, you have to use the name G double flat as the accidental was applied to the note G. The double sharp sign will raise the pitch by 2 half steps. So instead of G, we will play G double sharp. Again, even though the resulting key on the keyboard is an A, you have to use the name G double sharp as the accidental was applied to the note G. I hope you liked the video. Next, we will look at intervals.